Hello, and welcome to our presentation, Women's Health with SOQI Products. In this video, we will discuss the importance of women's health, how SOQI products can help manage health conditions that affect women, and share a wellness routine that you can perform with our products. Women in our culture often carry immense pressure, balancing the needs of others while still trying to take care of themselves. Women must often split their time between job, child rearing, housework, and caring for others. Our modern day life demands that women work hard to succeed. This, along with pressure from friends and family, can create a stressful life cycle. As women age, just like most people, their risk for certain diseases like diabetes, hypertension increases. High stress levels can also increase your risk of disease. Stress can contribute to your likelihood of insomnia, depression, and arthritis. Being serious about women's health means being proactive to improve it, either your own health or the health of the women who are close to you. On the next few slides, we will discuss the SOQI products that we feel are most effective at improving women's health: the Chi Machine, the E-Power, the Advanced CRE, and the ceramic heater. SOQI offers natural, holistic health products that can be used by everyone. By improving your body's overall health, you will increase your defense against disease. SOQI's core principle is the multi-energy approach. This approach is centered on the idea that multiple sources of energy, when used simultaneously or close together, amplify the effects of one another. Our products use a variety of energies, heat, motion, electric, and more, to increase the holistic health of the user. Our Chi Machine is uniquely calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. This exercise is similar to running, swimming, or Tai Chi, with much less impact on the body. This product is extremely useful for individuals who need or prefer low-intensity exercise. While using the Chi Machine, the blood circulation increases, allowing for the free flow of oxygen-rich blood cells. These cells nourish our organs, muscles, and body systems, aiding in the healing of injuries and soothing of pain. The Chi Machine can help reduce the symptoms of menstruation or body aches and pain. The ceramic heater and the fur pad use the same type of technology, far infrared heat. Our products generate fur heat in a consistent range of 8 to 10 microns. These wavelengths are especially well absorbed by the human body and help increase blood circulation. Fur heat can help stimulate your circulation and metabolism, increasing your overall immunity from disease. The relaxing and soothing heat can also help reduce stress. The Advanced CRE uses electrical impulses to stimulate the nervous system, harnessing the power of reflexology. This electric current can help soothe sore muscles and joints, reducing and relieving pain for the user. The electro pads included with this machine can also be used to target specific parts of the body as needed. The E-Power is a unique machine that produces the negative ion potential field, which helps balance your ions. When our bodies have a healthy balance of ions, this can help facilitate better sleep, hormone balance, enhance detoxification, and provide anti-aging effects. On the next few slides, we will discuss a wellness routine that you can perform with these machines. Treat yourself, a loved one, or a client to this routine to see how powerful the effects can be. You can improve your physical and mental well-being with this routine. A wellness routine for improved women's health. The Chi Machine is to be used for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. The ceramic heater is to be used for 30 minutes twice a day. The fur pad is to be used for 30 minutes twice a day. These 3 products are more effective when used together. The Advanced CRE is meant to be used for 15 minutes twice a day. E-Power can be used for 30 minutes twice a day. The E-Power is meant to be used alone without any other machines. Please refer to the user manual for more information. This routine has several benefits, which include overall health improvement, stress reduction, and reduction of aches and pains, improved circulation, improved sleep quality, and skin rejuvenation. We hope that this presentation has given you some ideas on how to use and demonstrate HTE's products for women's health. Thank you for watching this video and look forward to more content from HTE USA.